Welcome back, YouTube. You tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. So if you already can't tell what I'm making, man, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys. I'm gonna be making some chicken and shrimp lo mein. So I went to my local international market, picked up some lo mein noodles. They was in the frozen section. So they say they only take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook. So I got some shrimp here, some chicken. I got some green onions, carrots, regular onions, and cabbage. I know, diced up. Got some teriyaki sauce and soy sauce. A lot of people like to use the oyster sauce, but in the place of the oyster sauce, I'm gonna use the soy sauce. So first, we're gonna go ahead and start getting our pans hot and our water boiling. Stay tuned. I just poured a little grapeseed oil in the pan to fry up my vegetables. That's perfect for stir frying. And we're gonna go ahead and go ahead and fry that up. And so I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken in here. Let's get that cooked up. So you guys, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of minced garlic in here. I didn't add it in again because I didn't want it to burn up. Now we got the garlic combined with it. We're gonna go ahead and go over here to our noodles. All right, so the noodles, they're very, very long. So you wanna try to find like the middle and cut them in half. See, now they're pretty good edible length. So go ahead and drop them in the water. Let's go over to our pot. Just remember, these noodles are gonna get done very fast, so you have to stand over top of them and watch them because you don't want them too mushy. All right, so our noodles are done. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water off, and I'm gonna run some cold water over them so we can stop them cooking. Okay, our chicken is ready. We're gonna go ahead and throw that in here. Okay. Our lo mein noodles, we're gonna go ahead and add them in. And I save my shrimp for last because I know they don't take long to cook. Let me go ahead and start mixing and getting everything combined before I put in my teriyaki and soy sauce. Okay, stay tuned, you guys. You guys, I'm gonna add in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce. All right, now we're just gonna go ahead and get this combined together. So here we have it, our final product, our chicken shrimp lo mein. Man, it smells amazing. I can't wait to dig in. The kids is yelling, "Daddy, Daddy, when can we eat?" And then, you know, Joey, he's saying, "Smoke Boss, Smoke Boss." But I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in today, checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, whatever kind of videos you'd like to see in the near future, drop some comments below. Hey, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.